Today's video comes to us from Duke City Informer. The video shows a man refusing to show ID to police officers while at a laundromat with his service dog. The incident began when a new employee at the laundromat called the police to report the man for having his service dog with him, which is not against the law. In the video, the man can be heard telling the officers that he is not breaking any laws and that the employee has no right to tell him he can't be there. He also states that his service dog is allowed in the laundromat and that the employee is trying to throw him out because of the dog. The man can also be seen refusing to show ID to the officers and telling them that he knows his rights under federal law. He also mentions that this is not the first time this has happened, but the police officers state that this is the first time they have been called to the laundromat. Watch till the end to see the shocking end to the whole drama, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the video in the comments. Check out the description for links to the original video. Enjoy!
So we got called out here today. I guess something about the dog. Were you already speaking to the manager about that?
No, I haven't talked to the manager.
You haven't?
No.
Okay, he told me that he spoke to you already.
So
I'm going to explain to you the situation, and then if you have any questions, we can address it, okay?
Excuse me. Sorry.
Sorry. Is this your puppy back there, your dog?
Yeah.
Okay. So what he's saying is that he's just requesting that you not be here anymore, okay?
That's not going to happen.
Okay. Well, I mean, he has.
I have every right to be here, and he has no right to tell me I can't be.
Okay. He does actually. This is private property.
It is private property. What does the sign on the door say?
I don't know. I didn't read this.
This is why he's trying to kick me out.
What does it say? I'm not sure.
Go read it.
Okay. So.
Don't walk up behind me.
You understand what's going to happen, right?
Ain't nothing going to happen to me.
Okay.
That's a certified service dog.
It has nothing to do with the dog. Okay. You've been given.
Really, it doesn't have nothing. Oh no, but that's what he tried to throw me out for. Having my dog in here. It's not about the dog.
No, it's not about the dog. They have the authority to ask anybody.
Over my dog. He's trying to throw me out. And he can't do that. That's covered by federal law. And I know you guys don't understand what federal law is, okay? But it trumps all this other bullshit that you guys try to pass your stupid narrative on.
So how would you like to solve this issue today?
I'd like you to get away from me.
Okay. Well, that's not going to happen.
Well, yeah, it is.
Okay. So you have an option, man. You have an option. You're going to be criminally trespassed. If you remain on the property, you will go to jail.
Well, then have the owner come down here and tell me to leave.
It doesn't need to be the owner.
It does have to be the owner.
Okay.
According to the law, it does have to be the owner of the property.
A business owner or an authorized representative of the business has the right to ask a person to leave their property if the person is not a customer and does not have permission to be there. If the person does not leave when asked, they can be considered trespassing. However, the business owner must give the person clear notice that they are not welcome and must leave the property before they can be considered trespassing.
That's not true.
Yeah, it is. Because the owner, when I talked to her 2 years ago about the same issue that we're going through now,
What's going on 2 years ago?
my service dog is allowed in here. Okay? And he can't throw me out because of my service dog. And that's why he's trying to throw me out.
He can ask you to leave for any reason.
No, not for the dog.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do my laundry. Quit following me.
So you're actually not going to do your laundry. You're going to leave. He's more than happy to refund you, but no more laundry will be done. Do you have a driver's license on?
No, I'm not giving you shit.
Okay.
What law have I broken?
Well, several at this point. Okay. But
Really?
even in violation of any laws?
No, I'm not. And I know damn well I'm not.
Okay. Well, I'm more than happy
So
to give you a
come on,
citation.
continue with your bullshit. Come on, continue with your bullshit.
What would you like me to say? I mean, I'm not here to tell you bullshit. I'm here to tell you that you can't operate this vehicle on the road without.
Oh, yes, I can.
To what law?
According to the 30-day rule.
Can you explain to me what that is, please?
The 30-day rule is if I bought this car in less than 30 days, I can drive it on the road without registering it. Because I have 30 days to register it.
The 30-day new vehicle rule refers to a regulation in some states in the United States that requires car dealers to give buyers a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty on a new vehicle, whichever comes first. This rule is in place to provide consumers with some protection in case there are any defects or problems with the vehicle within the first month of ownership. However, it's important to note that the 30-day new vehicle rule may vary from state to state, and some states may have different regulations or no regulations at all.
Do you have any evidence of purchase? Bill of sale, a title, anything like that?
I have my title.
Please let me see it.
I don't have to show you my title.
Well, as soon as you start driving, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay. I mean, so what would you like to do?
I'd like you guys to leave me alone so I can get out of here.
If you would like to, all I'd like to do today is simply my job, okay? A business has requested that I give you a letter of no trespass.
Go ahead and get it.
Okay. Are you willing to do that?
Don't matter to me.
Okay, that's fine. That's what we'll do.
Because you know what a letter of trespass means. It means a goddamn thing.
That's fine. If it doesn't mean anything to
It
you,
doesn't mean anything.
we can address
But
that.
remember this, has to be the second time.
Okay.
It's not the second time. This is the first time.
This is my grabbing. Look, you sound like you are well versed, and I apologize.
Oh yeah, I am.
Okay, you've already pinpointed that clearly I haven't been on this department for years and years. How old are you, sir?
None of your damn business.
Okay, you're older than me. You have more years on Earth, which goes a long way.
Not to you it doesn't, because, fresh out of the academy, you think everybody's the f***ing.
I don't think you're.
Bull, you walked up to me like I was a terrorist or something. Yes, you did.
Standing here trying to have a reasonable.
Oh, now you are. Now you are.
No, I mean, yes, we have.
And now you're threatening to ticket me for driving this without a registration when I've had it less than 30 days.
I'm not threatening anything.
No, you just did. I got it on camera.
Okay.
You got it on body cam, and I'm going to FOIA their body cam.
You're more than welcome, okay? What I'm trying to get
What you're trying to do is exert your authority over me. You have no authority over me. You are a public servant. We, the people, are the boss, not you.
I'd like to do today.
You work for us.
I do. I work for everybody, including you, including everybody in the business. All right?
And I wasn't bothering nobody except for the white boy idiot.
Well, he just so happens to be.
And can you believe it? A f***ing biker calling the cops. Wow. You fill it out, give it to me, and go back to work.
Cool. If you're willing to meet me halfway and do that, that's all we're asking today. Whatever happens in the future, I hope that you're able to continue coming to this business if that's something you want to do.
Oh, I will.
And I hope you can bring your dog. I understand you may not want to give me your name.
I'm not going to either.
What's that?
I'm not going to either.
Are you willing to write it?
I'm not going to write it for you either.
Okay.
Because a criminal trespass doesn't need my ID. Doesn't need anything.
Okay. Are you ready to talk?
I'm right here.
All right. So I spoke to my supervisor. We're not going to press this issue any further today. Feel free to leave, okay? However, I'm going to make you a promise, okay? I will identify you. I will fill out this letter of no trespass, okay? You're not welcome to come to this business, okay? There's been too many issues so far.
Oh yeah? What issues? You don't know me. Do whatever you got to do. Now leave me go back to work. You're dismissed.